Okay. So, kinakabahan ba kayo?
Yes.
Di naman masyado.
Hindi masyado. Ayan. So, yun nga. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm JLo. English.
Tagalog na lang daw.
Medyo nahiya pa ako, charot. Ano, 3 years ng VA, tsaka, tawag dito, nagsusupport ako sa IT support, and then, uh, handling, MS tickets, help desk analyst, and also doing follow-up with vendors, with the estimated shipping date of orders. At saka masasabi ko na privilege ako kasi nakapagtrabaho ako as virtual assistant. Kasi kung um, iaano ko lang yung trabaho sa corporate, talagang malayo siya kasi syempre sa VA, sa bahay ka lang nagtatrabaho, more time with family, especially first time mom, more time sa anak, and then masarap magtrabaho at the comfort of your home. So, yun lang muna. I'm J-Lo again.
Kasi aside sa more time with family, less hassle na rin yung sa commute. And then, syempre, dun sa financial. Kasi, hindi ka na talaga gagastos para sa, ano mo, sa pamasahe mo everyday. And then, syempre, yung baon mo. Kasi, isa na lang din yung kakainin yun ng family mo, diba? Dahil nasa bahay ka na lang din nag-work. And then, ano pa bang advantage? Ah, syempre isa na rin yung yung naalagaan mo, yung mga anak mo. At the same time, nakakapag-work ka, nakakapag-provide ka ng needs ng family mo. And then, hindi rin madedeprive yung anak mo sa presence mo kasi every occasion, talagang nandun ka every day para sa kanila. Uh, for me, yun lang, as of now, yun yung pinaka-advantage para sa akin. So, yun lang.
Hello everyone. I am Mariel and I have been working as a virtual assistant for 2 years and 9 months now. Dati ako with AR and I am now helping with AP. And working as a VA completely changed my perspective with work and life. And the reason why I'm joining the podcast because I want to inspire and motivate yung mga curious about the virtual assistant industry and they are looking also for this type of opportunity.
Hi everyone, my name is Define, and the actual reason why we actually decided to create this podcast is because we wanted to help everyone who has their questions and confusion, their curiosity on how the virtual work um, life is, how to start being a virtual assistant, what are the opportunities that awaits you, and I believe na yung mga tao na nandito sa community to are not just curious or not just after the money that they're going to get or the salary that they're going to receive, but more on they want to be able to enjoy life while working. I believe we this actually opens few years back um, when it was introduced in the Philippines. Parang almost, I believe, more than a decade already. Pero parang hindi siya ganun ka-common or marami talagang agam-agam yung mga tao. kung pwede ba talagang mag-work virtually, lalo na if they can be paid virtually. So this podcast will actually open all those I will actually answer all those questions and will provide guides to those who want to work remotely. I know that the work remotely has already been um, um, used as well by BPO industry, but being a VA is very much different from working remotely in an corporate world. So this is very different, especially with the pay and all. So I hope this podcast will help those who are who actually want to start doing online jobs. That's all.
Hi everyone, I'm Rhea and I'm working as a VA for almost 5 years and marami akong natutunan. Pangarap ko talaga to as a mom kasi gusto kong maalagaan yung pamilya ko. Ang laki ng different from aalis ka na ang bahay, magko-commute ka, hassle sa oras, sa traffic, pero once na nasa bahay ka, nagtatrabaho ka, enjoy mo yung life mo. And then, dun sa salary, ang laki lalo ng diferensya niya. And then, na-build up din yung confidence ko kasi I have no experience regarding the remote or being AVA. Pero natutunan ko lahat sa tiyaga, huwag ka lang bibitaw. Sa tulong ng mga kasama ko, naging maayos ang lahat. And sumali ako dito sa podcast na to para mamotivate din ang lahat. Kung wala kayong experience, huwag matakot.
Ano ba yun? Hello, my name is Jocelyn. I've been working as a BA for 7 years now. I work as a AR collections. So, basically, following up yung mga open invoices ng customer and then doing cash application. So, working as a BA for 7 years, super was worth it naman because yun nga, you're working at the comfort of your own home and then you get to spend more time with your family. Tapos, less hassle because hindi mo na kailangan mag-travel and all. Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay. Yan, hi. So, welcome pala sa very first podcast namin. Ako pala si Chris, isang butihing ina, butihing asawa. And I've been working here for 13 years na. So, hindi pa uso yung work from home. Nag-work from home na ako before the pandemic. So, sa lahat ng department, tumutulong kami. Yun nga, hindi naman ako maalam din before when I started. Pero, I just want to say na yung patience ko talaga is too much. Kaya, siguro marami din akong natutunan. At saka, hindi kami nandito para, alam mo yun, pakita na perfect kami or magyabang. For sure, marami rin kaming mga pinagdaanan at pagdadaanan pa. Pero the reason why we want to do this is because we want to share our journey and of course we want to motivate yung mga gustong maging virtual assistant. So dito, pag-uusapan namin ang totoong buhay ng pagiging VA at kung ano yung mga skills na kailangang matutunan base sa mga experience namin. So ang kagandahan nito ay, hindi nyo na kailangan pang, mag-search kung saan kasi isi-share namin sa inyo lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin and then pati yung kung paano tayo mag-grow step by step. So, for sure kami din, while we're doing this, we will learn, and then, what else? So, welcome. Welcome sa aming first episode. Sana may mapulot kayong mga aral. Minsan may mga kalokohan din dito. Pero, yun nga, for sure, matutuwa kayo sa mga susunod naming episodes.